So this is exactly how I was able to fix my Just Dance Now app that it's not working. So firstly, we're going to close our Just Dance app, and instead we're gonna go into the settings app on our phone here, as you can see. Firstly, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on here on your phone, because if it's not gonna work. Then scroll all the way down and click on apps right here. Now click on search apps and just search for Just Dance Now and click on the app. Now what we're going to do is to make sure that this one wireless data here is set to VLAN or mobile data. That is very important. Once you have done all of this, make sure that the local network and camera is also turned on, these two right here. Then what we need to do is to go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play Store if you have an Android. Then just simply search for Just Dance. Scroll down and click on the app. Make sure that if this button here says update, to click on it, because then there's a new update for the Just Dance app that you have to be able to get basically. So try this and hopefully now it's gonna work for you as well.